The strangest animals you've ever seen. Hey guys, what if farm animals suddenly changed their style? Let's check it out. Look at this, not a normal cow. It's a tiger cow. Does it give milk or a roar? Here's a cheetah horse, runs super fast. And looks fabulous, oh new. Baby lambs turned into leopards, the wolves. Yeah, they're moving out. And this, a leopard pig. When you feed it, you don't know if you should say, "Here piggy piggy," or run. Well, that's a creative mind, guys. Want to join me on the road to creativity? So like and subscribe.